good people at Meter have seen all of our meat cooking videos that we've done, and they are huge fans of people who like to cook meat. So they sent us a couple extra things, including a Meter t-shirt designed specifically to look like Space Invaders, and their amazing Meter boards. Let's open up the t-shirt first. So as you can see here, you've got a really cool design on here. You've got the Meter thermometer, shooting meters at meat of types fish, steak, chicken, traditional video game style looking meats. You've got a health bar, score bar, and of course, Meter. Really cool design on that. And then on the back here, you have, like instead of a top scores, they are temperature guide. And then instead of insert coins, insert probe. That's really cool. I think that's a really awesome nerdy design. So here at Nerd News Social, it's important we cover things that are nerdy. And then for the actual board here, this thing is beautiful bamboo. They literally sending it to us in butcher's paper is amazing. Oh, you got to still pack it, make sure you dispose this properly. And this nice little card here that says, care for your board like you would a new car. Hand wash with warm water and soap, dry completely before storage. To extend the life of your board, apply food-grade mineral oil directly on the surface and let it sit a few hours or overnight. Wipe off excessive oil, a microfiber towel will be useful, and then apply food-grade mineral oil once per month. Do not use cooking oil. So this thing is beautiful and massive. It is a hefty and hardy board. You've got nice little ingrown handles here on the side that are really cool. Let's see those there. You've got a nice little spout to collect the oils and juices from the meat with a downpour spout that you can easily use to pour that off into can or into a bowl or into other foods that you're cooking at the same time. And then also, let's see right here, Meter on the board, which is nice. They also have it on this corner as well. Let's see there. It's a really well-made, very heavy, very strong cutting board. And if you're a fan of precision devices and items like you are with Meter, this right here is not going to move around easily on your cook surface. It's going to allow you to cut your meat up very nicely, and it fits most traditional roast. I can see this even fitting a smaller brisket, so that's really nice. Well, hopefully you guys found this interesting and you guys want to pick up your own Meter board. It is not double-sided, but if you wanted to use the flat side, you could, I guess, but it's really cool. Hopefully you guys found this helpful and you can pick up one for yourself, and we'll see you guys next time.